9th of November, 1938, Germany was burning. In a single night, hundreds of synagogues were set on fire. Thousands of Jewish-owned shops were looted. Many Jews were killed, and around 30,000 were sent to concentration camps. They called it Kristallnacht, the night of broken glass. It wasn't just an attack on Jews, it was the beginning of a genocide. It happened because of hate, because of anti-Semitism. On October 7th, 2023, children were kidnapped from their homes. Since then, Jews are once again under attack in universities, on social media. Never again is not just a slogan, it's a responsibility, a global one, to make sure we don't go back to where we were over 80 years ago. We remember Kristallnacht, we fight anti-Semitism, and we speak the truth.